Good afternoon, and welcome to Math with Mr. D. Today, we'll be learning about dividing fractions. There are two ways to solve problems when we divide with fractions. I'm going to teach you both ways. Here's way number one. Here I have 3 divided by 1/4. 3 is my dividend. It's also a whole number. So what I did was I made 3 separate boxes, as you can see here, and they're divided by the thick red line. I took my 3 boxes and I divided them into fourths. I divided them into fourths because, well, I'm dividing 3 by a fourth. So what I do now is I'm going to count how many lines or how many spaces I have in each box. So if you count with me, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And my answer to 3 divided by 1/4 is 12. That's one way to do it. I should note that this way only works when the whole number is the dividend. And if you're not quite sure what number the dividend is, it's the number to the left of the division sign. I'll say it one more time. This way only works with the model, the diagram that I drew up here. This only works when our dividend is a whole number. Again, the dividend is the number to the left of the division sign. So that's one way to do it. I told you there was a second way. So let's take a look at this example again. 3 divided by 1/4. There are 3 letters that you have to know, that you have to memorize. The letters are K, C, F. No, not KFC, but KCF. The K stands for keep. The C, yep, it stands for change. And the F, it stands for flip. Now you may be scratching your head and you may be saying to yourself, Self, why do I have to know KCF? Why keep, change, flip? Say again with me. Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. One more time. Keep, change, flip. Why do I have to know that? Here's why. I'm going to go back. Let's take a look at this example. 3 divided by 1/4. Remember, anytime that you have a whole number, your denominator is always 1. So that's what I did here. 3 over 1 divided by 1/4. What was my first letter again? That's right, it was K for keep. I'm just going to write a little k over there by 3 over 1. And I'm going to rewrite that. I am going to keep 3 over 1 just the way it is. It's perfect. I'm not going to touch it. I'll just drop it right down. The second letter was, yep, it was change. I'll put a C over here. My division sign is no longer a division sign. It's going to be a multiplication sign. So again, I keep my dividend, my 3 over 1, I let it be, and I change my division sign to a multiplication sign. And that last letter again? Yes, it was F for flip. I'm going to take my fraction 1/4 and I'm going to flip it around. It's no longer 1/4 to me. It's going to be 4 over 1. And now, boys and girls, if you remember from this week's class, with fractions and multiplying, I'm just going to multiply my numerators and my denominators. 3 times 4 is, yep, you guessed it, it's 12. And 1 times 1 is 1. So my answer is 12 over 1, or it can just be 12. Let's try another example. Here I have 2/6 divided by 3/4. Say it aloud with me, everyone. Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. keep, change, flip. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to just write a little k over there by 2 6 because I want to know to keep it. And writing the k and the c and the f, that's okay to do on your problems so you know what to do. So I'm just going to rewrite the 2 6. I'm going to change my division sign to a multiplication sign. And I'm going to write f above 3/4. I'm going to flip it. So this is no longer 3/4, it's 4/3. And now I'm going to multiply straight across. 2 times 4 is, it's 8. And then 6 times 3 is, it's 18. Oh, you notice something. You notice that 8/18 has to be simplified? Well, you're right. The greatest common factor for 8 and 18, you're right again, it is 2. So I'm going to divide both sides by 2, and my answer becomes 4/9. One little note I want to add to this, everyone, is that if you have mixed numbers, if you're dividing mixed numbers, so we take, let's say, 3 and 2 sixths divided by 4 and 3/4, all you're doing is you're going to make the mixed number into an improper fraction, and then you'll do the keep, change, flip. Well, everyone, that's about it for today. I hope that you learned something, and thank you for watching.